I've purchased Vanilla Bean King's vanilla beans for 2 or 3 times now over the past couple of years to make extract. And I like their beans so much, and I like making the extract so much that I just decided to bite the bullet and buy a 50 pack. So let's open it up and take a look at them, and I'll give you my thoughts. The vanilla beans come packaged nicely. All the air is out of the package. You can see how tight it is around the package. That's gonna help keep these vanilla beans nice and fresh until you open it. Let's open up the pack. It's a tear off, but I'm just gonna cut it. So once you open it up, the vanilla beans are all in here together. So there's the vanilla bean. It's nice and pliable. I can see the oils on the vanilla bean. That's what you're looking for when you buy vanilla beans. And I love that these vanilla beans always show up like this. I can really smell the fragrance of the vanilla. These are perfect for making vanilla extract. They are grade A, and I like using grade A. They're Madagascar. You could use other grades, but I like the grade A. For the ones I do not use, I am gonna use my food saver. I'm gonna leave them in this bag, but put them in another bag, seal all that air out to keep these as fresh as possible. If you are looking for vanilla beans to purchase, I do really like these vanilla beans, and I hope it helps you decide on if these are a good vanilla bean for you.